acid reflux advice that anyone can use. Pushing your way through each day with acid reflux can seem not only intimidating but very tiresome. It is painful to boot. You may not realize that there are more things than you know of to help you push acid reflux out of your life. Focus on the tips and tricks that are discussed in this video, and you can surely find a way out. Acid reflux pain can be managed by eliminating peppers, hot sauce and other spicy foods from the diet. These foods increase the acids in your digestive system. Avoiding these items can get you welcome relief. It is a good idea to raise the head of your bed if you have been experiencing acid reflux issues frequently. When you are lying flat, it gives the stomach contents an easier way of refluxing. You should raise the mattress about 6 to 8 inches in order to get the best results. Eating large portions is a huge cause of acid reflux in a lot of people. When the stomach is too full, it puts too much pressure on the muscles in your stomach. It is better to eat 5 smaller meals instead of 3 larger ones. You will eat the same amount, but you will reduce the amount of acid your body produces. Sometimes, there is nothing that can be done to prevent acid reflux disease. This is why you need to learn of what you can do when an attack occurs. Try drinking cold milk or eating some cracker or bread. These remedies help by reducing the amount of acid that comes up through the esophagus. Hopefully the tips and advice that have been discussed in this video have given you the confidence you need to close the door on acid reflux. Now is the time to put your plan into action so that you can produce the results you're looking for. Use what you have learned, and acid reflux will be waving goodbye. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.